For many years, gene therapy has been a hope on a distant horizon. But today, with the first gene therapy approved in the US and others looking promising in research, people with genetic disorder are beginning to see gene therapy as a possibility in their lifetime. To identify questions that the patients and the caregivers may have, the NORD reached out to our members and social media followers. Here are the questions most frequently shared with us. We have been hearing about gene therapy for 20 years. Why is it suddenly getting so much attention? In the past 10 years, there have been significant discoveries about the DNA and the ways it can be manipulated. This has caused a resurgence and excitement within the scientific community, pushing more preclinical and non-clinical studies. In addition, sponsorship, awareness, and preclinical successes have increased. The FDA has approved some gene therapy drugs. Is gene therapy a cure? Because it is still in the experimental phase, it is not known if gene therapy is a cure, but that's the goal. Can the changes gene therapy causes be passed on to future generations? There are two different types of cells, somatic and germ. Germ cells exist as eggs and sperm and only have one set of chromosomes. These are the cells that are passed on to offspring. Somatic cells are presented everywhere else in the body and have two sets of chromosomes. Right now, gene therapy is only given to somatic cells, and therefore the changes it causes cannot be passed on to offspring. It is possible that in the future, gene therapy will occur in germ cells, but right now that's not happening. How long is the treatment? What does it entail, and does it reach every cell in the body? Treatment can be given systemically or injected into the affected area. Systemic treatments are given via IV and are typically longer up to a few hours. This also depends on your weight. A large adult will receive more gene therapy than a small child, so the treatment will be longer. Injected treatments are completed immediately as soon as the fluid is injected into the area. Gene therapy that is administered systemically does have the potential of reaching all somatic cells depending on the dose. But gene therapy is more often targeted to only disease cells.